Hello everyone, in this video we will create an exercise about mappings. Mappings are key value pairs in Solidity. It also exists in other software languages. And now to create our mapping, you need to start with the mapping keyword, and then you need to open some parentheses. And here the first type that you will be defining will be for your key. For example, I would like to have uint for the key. And then you need to put the arrow symbol, and for the second type that I'm defining here, it is for the value. So this is key, this is value, key, value. And once you have done that, you can then enter here your access modifier and also a name for your mapping, let's say my mapping. And now let's use a function to put some values inside this mapping. So I will say function add values, and I will use function parameters to add values. So I will say uint num string memory word and external. And to add values inside this mapping, just grab the mapping name, square brackets, the first parameter uint is my key, and the second parameter is value. And that's how you add values inside the mapping. And you can be creative, for example, for the key you can define addresses, and for the value you can define booleans. It's up to you. And now if I would like to return a specific value from this mapping, I can target the key of that value, and by targeting the key I will be able to return the value of that key. So to do that, function, let's say get value, and here I told you that we will be targeting a specific key. For that reason I am using function parameters, and external view returns. We will return what? Of course we will return a string, so string memory. And here just need to say return my mapping and square brackets and num here, and that's how you return a specific value from this mapping. So now let's save everything, deploy it. It's already compiled, so we can deploy it. The contract is deployed, and now here you can see we have add values. So first let's add some values to it. I will say 1 apple, 2 oranges, and 3 kiwi. And now if I want to return a specific value of this mapping, I can target these keys. For example, the key 2, what was it? It was oranges. The key 3, it was kiwi. So that's how you create a mapping, and how you can store values inside mapping, and how you can return a specific value from a mapping. And see you next time. Bye bye.